I have to tell you, I have absolutely loved working with Envy Abode. The team have been amazing. I know how many people have bad building experiences and renovation experience, and I cannot rate Envy Abode highly enough. They've been an absolute pleasure to work with. They were just on the same page. If there was something they weren't sure about, they would ask. If they didn't think it would work for us, they would say, how about you do this? And they just totally understood our needs, for which we are most grateful. From a building perspective, we had already drawn up the plans with an architectural team. To Tim's credit, he originally looked at the plans and he said that the area will look a bit dark. How about we put in a few more skylights in the living area? And he was 100% correct. The house is even better than I think we thought it would be. I would absolutely recommend Envy Abode because they were right on budget, they were considerate, and they are an absolute pleasure to deal with. And my neighbours have all been enormously complimentary of the team, and anybody who's looked at the photos have been very impressed by the workmanship. So yes, I absolutely would.